Okay, everybody, this here is the 2008 Town and Country, and we have this major water leak that's going on. All of this is wet, and it appears to be coming from this right there. Is dried up now, but when it's running you can see a crack. Okay, you see some of the moisture right there. So we're going to look into what we have to do to get this part replaced, what it's called as well, and we're going to replace it. So just to note, if your Town and Country is getting a spray up in this area, that's probably the cause right there, a crack in that. Okay, this is the 2008 Chrysler Town and Country. We got a serious leak going on, and to trace it down, it's the heater core hose, this connector right there. It's got a split in it right there that we're going to have to replace. I was looking at a video and said this is one also right here in the back, but that one seems to be okay for the time being, but this one here has a leak right along that crease. So we're gonna get it replaced, and looks like we're gonna have a clamp right there, and we're gonna cut the line here and here and pull this section out. They have a replacement port by Dorman, and so we're gonna go pick that up at O'Reilly's and get that on. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and replace. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and take that one out. Just let me get a wrench. Okay, I have the replacement part for it. Okay, went up, picked up the replacement part for it, and the only thing is, it showed it being aluminum, but it is not. The only thing is, it showed it being metal, but it's not. But I need this done today, so here we go. And it did come up to $22.40, and that's including the antifreeze. So we're going to get this in place and see how it works out. Okay, we have the new connector in place. The clamps are tight. We just used the original one on that one there. Back that up a bit, but we're going to use the original one on that one. Those are in place, and we're going to add our antifreeze. So right now the temperature is holding steady. I have the heat on high to really get the fluid circulated through the system. But it's not squirting. The leak is fixed. I think that's going to work out all right. Everything seems to be holding up pretty good. Just keep an eye on it from there.